Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare a one-pot meal of chicken and rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me over on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and make sure you follow me on Facebook. It's Kylie J's Kitchen. Remember to tell a friend, tell a family member about Kylie J's Kitchen. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to season up our chicken. So I already clean and wash my chicken with vinegar already, alright? So I'm going to go in and add some all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add some paprika, just a small amount of paprika. I'm going to go in and add some black pepper. And I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. I will also add some browning. I'm not going to use any sugar for my chicken, but I'm going to use browning instead, alright? You know, they're from the same family, alright? And I will also add a small amount of soy sauce. So we just want to get the powdered seasoning in first, and then we're going to go in and add the browning and the soy sauce, alright? And I'm using for, you know, just to be transparent, I'm using the hot and spicy soy sauce. If you guys didn't know, they do have the hot and spicy soy sauce, so you guys can go ahead and check that out in your local supermarket or your grocery store. Alright, so once I'm finished seasoning my chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it in the fridge, cover it, leave it in the fridge for roughly about an hour to 1.5 hours before I start preparing my meal. Alright, alright guys, so this is it. So see you guys soon. Alright, so now we're gonna start preparing our one pot meal. Alright, so I'm gonna go in and add my chicken. I added just a small amount of vegetable oil, so I'm gonna allow my chicken to just cook down before we add the rest of the ingredients. Alright, and guys, I love the color of my chicken. My chicken looks so good. And you know what I find so funny? I realized that the browning wasn't that strong. I don't know what they're doing, but listen, all the manufacturers, make sure to make the browning them good, alright? The browning them now make good again. And I'm so annoyed. So we cover that, leave that for 15 minutes, and this is what it looks like. So we're just gonna continue to just allow this to just cook down before we add the rest of the ingredients. Guys, look at my stewed chicken. I feel like I just want to have this alone. I don't want to add anything else to it. It looks so good. Oh my god. So it's almost finished cooking. So I'm gonna go in and add some onion, some bell pepper, some scallion, some scotch bonnet pepper, and some garlic to this. Alright, I will also go in and add some mixed vegetable. And you guys don't have to use the mixed vegetable. You can always just use the carrot alone, or you can just use the green peas alone. All right, whichever you choose. And just a note, I'm going to use coconut milk for this recipe. And I like to use my authentic coconut milk, but you can always mix your coconut milk, the authentic, with the coconut milk powder. Alright, so I'm gonna go in, add a piece of butter, and then I'm gonna add my washed white rice. You can always use brown rice for this recipe also. Alright, so just substitute, use whatever you have at home. Alright, remember, cooking is about being creative. Remember, cooking is about being you. Combine all of that together. You guys can always go in, add a little bit of salt or just a little bit more all-purpose seasoning just for taste. All right, so I'm gonna add the coconut milk, and yes guys, I went ahead and boil it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna cover this and allow it to just steam down, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what I do next when most of the water so as per usual, you know, I love to go ahead and add a piece of foil paper over my rice to allow it to steam down properly, and also because you want it to be a little bit shelly. All right, so I'm gonna allow this to steam down, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like when it's finished steaming. All right, so guys, this is my one pot meal, my rice and my chicken, as you can see, looking lovely, fluffy and nice. So I'm gonna serve this up and show you guys the final product. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my chicken and my rice. As you can see, looking so lovely, tasty, delicious, easy to prepare. And guys, listen, I love it. It tastes so good. So I hope you guys go ahead and try this out. Go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.